On October 1st, 2010, President Barack Obama calls the Guatemalan president and apologizes. He apologizes for research conducted by American researchers with the collaboration of the Guatemalan government during 1946, 1948, and indeed extending all the way to 1953. What was that about? While the infamous Tuskegee trial is taking place in the US, in Tuskegee, Alabama, the same researchers who were involved in that study went to Guatemala. And rather than, like in Tuskegee, just observing what syphilis did to people, in Guatemala, they actually intentionally, directly infected people, meaning prisoners, soldiers, children from orphanages and psychiatric hospitals, sex workers, infected them with sexually transmitted diseases, chancroid, gonorrhea, syphilis, to test the effects of these diseases and to test their transmission among individuals. The same researchers who participated in Tuskegee led this study. Specifically, perhaps the most famous one is Dr. Cutler, who actually led the Guatemala study. Overall, between 46 and 48, 1,300 people were infected with STDs. Between that period and 1953, almost 5,000 people, or more, a bit more than 5,000 people, were also included in that study. They were not infected directly, but they were observed to see the results, including serological studies, lumbar punctures, etc., etc.